Right, this is the landing. There's Connor. This is where we come in. This is our door number 205. We're going swimming first, yeah, don't worry. Breakfast first and then swimming. Right, so you're walking. Nice picture. Oh. Got a cupboard here. There you go. Connor likes the cupboard. Kieran, back in, sweet. Come on. Oh. Should be Batman and Robin, but the two Batmans. There you go. Right, the kitchen.
We don't want to leave.
See it? Oven, hob. We've got all cutlery. Open the drawers. All your cutlery. All your pots and pans. Everything. Everything you need. Plates, obviously. Sorted. Cups.
Sorted.
Sorted. And now you can't be abroad without glasses and jugs, can you?
Hey, stop this
Table. Lucy's just coming out of the bathroom. We'll do a tour of the bathroom in a minute. Right, this is like the front room. How cool is that? Table, lamps. Look how posh it is, that lamp there. Full of our luggage though, we've packed up, we're going today. TV. Nowhere's proper without a telly. And then we go through these doors to the balcony. Look how amazing is that? Yep, there's our tower. Some beds. Which leads you into... He thought he'd scare me, but it didn't work. Bedroom's a bit of a tip because we slept in it. Well, there you go. Right, it's the bathroom.
Yeah, we did it for a week and it took...
Connor, don't use the toilet. Wait till finished. There's Connor. Wait to use the toilet. Shower, bath, a bidet. Wash your bum. Don't use the toilet yet. Mirror. How posh it is.
The plug is still in. The plug is still in.
Try and take the plug out then if you can. I think Connor pretending got toilet then. See? Madhouse. Absolute madhouse. There you go. It's a big wardrobe. Nice little chair. Drawers. Connor's bed. Which effectively went under the settee there. So we need to push that back. Our bed. Two beds pushed together. Absolutely huge. Kieran's bed. Oh, cute. Cupboards. Cupboards. Right. That's the end of our tour. See you soon.